Nowadays, OT networks are more connected than ever, and that also means more exposure to cyber risks. That's why turning OT network security into cyber resilience is so important. And it's not just about handling incidents. It's about reducing risk and limiting impact to keep operations running. Because when you look at an OT network, it spans multiple layers, and every layer comes with its own risks. At the edge, legacy devices can quietly open backdoors. Legacy protocols lack encryption, so attackers can intercept or rewrite commands. At the network level, without segmentation, threats can spread fast. Wireless is convenient, but it also opens doors to unauthorized access. And endpoints like HMIs or SCADA systems, unpatched systems can expose vulnerabilities. And it's not just digital. Physical tampering can disrupt your entire network logic. Harsh environments, heat, dust, vibration, electromagnetic interference can bring communication down. And without real-time visibility, it's hard to even know what's happening in your network. Cyber threats are inevitable, so managing risk is the most practical way forward. That's where Moxa comes in. With a risk mitigation approach, you can identify risks, control them, and strengthen your network step by step. From secure connectivity devices to network segmentation and access control, all designed for industrial environments. And for ongoing security hardening and to speed up certification, you can rely on Moxa cybersecurity services. Moxa offers a complete portfolio, from secure edge connectivity to network protection and management. And all of it is built on secure by design principles, aligned with standards such as IEC 62443. Backed by decades of OT experience, we bring together technology, expertise, and support to build real network resilience. With Moxa, you can implement secure OT networks with confidence.